The present video topic is differences between NDA and ANDA. So in this video we are going to learn about the key differences between the new drug application and the abbreviated new drug application. The purpose of NDA is approval for the new drugs, new formulations and the innovative drugs. The NDA may be filed with new chemical entity or maybe with the new formulation and technology. While ANDA, that is abbreviated new drug application, is called as a generic application, and these are the similar product to the already approved products or approved drugs. And for ANDA, ANDA serves as a reference formulation or reference product. The NDA data requirements are like clinical data on safety, efficacy and quality of the product. While data requirement for ANDA requires bioequivalence studies to show similarity to the reference drug. For NDA, extensive clinical trials are required like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 clinical trials to demonstrate the safety and efficacy. While for the ANDA, no clinical trials are required, only bioequivalence studies are performed. The NDA approval process is more rigorous and it is reviewed by the FDA involving multiple experts and external committees, while ANDA approval process is faster review process based on the bioequivalence data. So for NDA, the clinical trial is the prime requirement, and for ANDA, bioequivalence requirement is the important requirement, or meeting the bioequivalence is a very critical requirement. Considering the cost and time for NDA more expensive and cost consuming due to clinical trials and extensive research required. So NDA take many years. Coming to the ANDA cost and time. So ANDA is less cost and time expensive, less expensive, and ANDA is approved at a faster rate compared to the time required for NDA. Generally, abbreviated new drug application is approved in 8 to 10 months. NDA has market exclusivity of 5 years for new drugs, and if the extensions are possible, then more than 5 years market exclusivity can be given to the NDA. While for ANDA, generic manufacturers may face patent challenges by para 4 certificate application and can get 180 days of exclusivity if the ANDA is approved with first to file type. NDA involves risk and innovation. NDA involves innovative technologies, innovative drugs. So it requires new research and development. While ANDA involves less risk compared to NDA, and generic drugs are the same copy of the NDA. So little bit research and innovation is required compared to the NDA. The FDA review focus for the NDA is reviews clinical data, safety, efficacy, manufacturing processes and labeling. While for ANDA mainly focus on the bioequivalence to the reference drug and the manufacturing details. These are the key differences between the NDA and ANDA. So consider NDA, it requires extensive clinical trials. ANDA requires bioequivalence. NDA requires in-depth research and innovation, while ANDA is comparatively simple than NDA filing. And if ANDA is a para 4 filing, then the ANDA applicant can get 6-month market exclusivity. The generic drug development requires research and innovation for the formulation, but the clinical trials are not involved. So these are the basic differences between the NDA and the ANDA. If you found other differences, you can comment. If you have any questions, you can comment and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you for watching the video.